Good afternoon, friends, and welcome. I'll be sharing live trades and results with you. We'll be evaluating how well these trades work out. We'll be benchmarking this against the S&P 500. I'm expecting to be outperforming it every month. Along the way, I'll also be sharing some lessons I've learned about investments, trading, and building wealth. And of course, the mandatory disclaimer. This is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It should not be interpreted as advice. And with that, let's get into it. Welcome to Trade 26. All right, let's take a look and see what happened on our prior trade. We entered here and we were able to squeak out a little bit of profit. That worked out great. And what we're hoping to do is have the market fall and enter back in. And luckily enough, on this particular day, that's exactly what happened. The market fell this complete distance, and we're going to make an entry right at this level. So let's go ahead and watch that entry happen live. And you can see our order go in and we are filled. So hopefully we'll see some kind of a rebound the next day. Let's take a look. The following day, the market continues to drop and drop pretty significantly. So we are definitely taking some losses in this trade. The market is falling 2 days in a row. Hopefully we'll see some sort of a rebound. Will we make some gains on this trade or take some losses? Well, we're going to have to find out. The following day, unfortunately, the market is down some more. So I'm marking on our chart there in that green square area. That indicates the top of it is where we went in. The bottom is the complete drawdown out of it. This is day number 3. At this point, we're down about 3%. Let's take a look at the following day. Well, the market gapped way down, well, at least a little bit down, but luckily recovered a little bit. And at this point, Adam's going to make some decisions. Are we going to go ahead and cut our losses here or continue to wait for the market to rebound? Adam's making the executive decision, and he's going to go ahead and enter in an order. And you can see that order going in here live. And we're going to go ahead and take a loss there. You can see that this order is taking some time to fill, but it fills. And that is the completion of trade 26. Let's head over to our tracking sheet and see how we're doing. Well, trade 26 was not a good trade for us. It completed on August 18th, and the S&P that day closed at 436.47. The S&P over the series of those couple of days lost about 3%, bringing it down to just under 15%, 14.99. So our buy and hold strategy, 14.99 for the year. We lost 2.95% on that trade, and that brings our year-to-date return down to 27.61. So we're still ahead of the market a bit, but a little disappointing results. But as I've mentioned, our winning trade percent has been running pretty hot, and we've taken a couple losses in a couple of trades here. We're now at 77% winning trade percentages. Profit factors down to 2.36. Unfortunately, not necessarily great results for us. Let's take a look at our charts. We're still ahead of the S&P by a little bit, not quite double, but we'd like to continue to see that gap widen. The market in the past couple of weeks has been in a falling state, and it's difficult to make money when the market's dropping unless we're going short. And on our particular strategy, it is a long only strategy. So 3 years running, you take a look at it. Our spiders trading, just us trading the SPY symbol, also took a bit of a loss. It's at 11.68, still trailing behind the S&P buy and hold strategy. But our game rate here is 27.61. We are still ahead of the market, and hopefully we'll continue to be. We saw a losing trade there. Hopefully, again, what we're looking for is the market to continue to drop and us to drop back in and hopefully see some upturn to this. I think what seems like now about 2 or 3 weeks of falling prices in the market. So we'll have to see what happens next time. That's it for today. How do you think we're doing? Please comment below and let me know how this compares to other investments you've seen. This is for entertainment and educational purposes only and should not be taken or interpreted as advice. Until next time.